Hello, welcome to this video. I will explain how to solve file path traversal sequences stripped non-recursively challenge. To access the challenge, click on this button. Difficulty for this challenge is Practitioner, and challenge description is given as this lab contains a path traversal vulnerability in the display of product images. The application strips path traversal sequence from the user supplied file name before using it. To solve the lab, retrieve the content of the etc passwd file. So we need to exploit this vulnerability in the product images. So let's go to challenge page. So we can open any image. Let's go to Bobsuit. To capture the image, we need to enable images checkbox. Now we can notice the request having image parameter. So send this particular request to a repeater. Click on send button just to generate a response. And this is the same URL loaded in the application browser. So to solve the challenge, we need to access the content of etc passwd. So let's copy this path and provide as file name and click on send button. However, we got 400 bad requests and no such file. So in this image folder, there is no file called passwd. So we got 400 bad requests and no such file error. So in previous lab, we solved the challenge by providing directory traversal sequence that is dot dot slash dot dot slash. So it will allow me to go one up directory. So instead of image, it will go one up directory and try to find out passwd file. So we can provide multiple traversal sequence and click on send button. However, we are getting same error message. So if we notice the challenge name, file path traversal sequences stripped. So the moment we are providing traversal sequence, it is getting stripped. However, it is implemented as non-recursively. So what we can do, we can change our payload little bit. So instead of providing travel sequence like this, we can provide extra dot and slash symbol. Again, extra dot and slash symbol. And then we can click on the send button. So this time we are able to retrieve the content of etc passwd file. And if we go to challenge page, it is solved successfully. So basically, in this case, we can understand there is a validation, like the moment user will provide dot dot slash, for example, this one. So there is validation. The moment dot dot slash will come as user input, it will be stripped and it will not execute. However, it is implemented non-recursive as it is mentioned in the challenge description. So if we provide one more pair of double dot slash, it will remove the initial part and it will convert it into this one. So basically it will execute. So challenge solved successfully. Thank you.